Okay, this is just an update on that video I made for the gluing the front tires, how to glue the front tires. This is actually the firm tires with super glued sidewalls, and I used it yesterday. Anyways, the video about gluing the tire, that's I did that like a month ago, and you can hear I used this one yesterday. I think I did like 400 laps in my mod car, and you can hear the sidewall is taller than the tire, so you can hear it. It's the edge is sharp from the super glue. Okay, so when you get your tires to this low and the sidewall is taller, the sidewall with super glue is taller than the tire, when you corner, the car will start to understeer. And when that happens, what you can do is sand down that super glue. I personally use 400 grit, but you can also use 600 or 800 just to remove that super glue on the sidewall. You can hear it too. It sounds like I'm sanding down a plastic. Okay, I don't remove the glue on the sidewall. It's just the tip. So I have the sandpaper on an angle like this. Yeah, okay. You can hear it. Now it's almost gone. Now it's the rubber. So I'm gonna rotate the tire a little bit, and you can hear it. I'm rotating the tire. This way, the car will get that traction again. And as the tire goes lower, this is what's going to happen, and you're going to want to sand it down until you reach the point where the tire is as low as the flange. Then I guess you need to replace your tires. But sometimes I still use it. It depends. Okay, and let me just clean that with a towel. Let's see. Yeah, it's not. Oh, there's a little bit more there. Let's go around. Yeah, I can feel it. There's a little bit more here, but you can't hear it anymore. Here is good. I'm just trying to feel the sharper edge of the sidewall. Yeah, I'm gonna go do it again. That's the material from that's the sidewall. I mean the super glue. Yeah, it's not that loud anymore, but there's still some. You also don't want to push it down, because if you do that, you're flexing the sidewall, you're scraping all of the glue on the sidewall, and that's not what I'm trying to do with this wheel set, because I have tires without sidewall glue, and this is the tires with full sidewall glue, and I want to keep the sidewall glued for this wheel set. Just trying to remove the taller sidewall from the super glue. See, there's no more. Okay, that's good. You also want to check the inside, because the inside I also glued the sidewall inside, the back side of the wheel. But no, it feels good. And the back wheel too. So this one is done. The back wheel too. This side had a sharp inside sidewall. This one does it. So I sanded down a little. Yeah, right there you can see it, because it was sharp already. This side is not. Well, I guess not yet. So it's still fine. It's getting there though. Oh, this looks like I already sanded down. No, I didn't sand this one down. No, not yet. But I can feel here that it's getting there. Maybe I should. Yeah, I can feel it on this side. Let's do this one too. Yep. Yeah, that's it. Now it's rubber. Hear it? It's just rubber now. There's nothing. So I'm just rotating the tire. There. A little bit of super glue. Okay. That's good enough. Okay, so that's what I do. If your car starts to push from having a lot of grip in the front, or right amount of grip in the front, then all of a sudden towards the end of your battery pack or end of the race, your car started pushing, but you still have plenty of meat left or plenty of tire left, like this one. It's just understeering because of the sidewall glue. So just shave that sidewall glue a little bit outside in front of the wheel and in the back. Just scuff those off with the sandpaper. 400 or 600 grit, even 800 is fine. Yeah. Okay. All right, that's it for this video.